Now the first thing that you want to do here is protect your countertop surface, because it will most likely get damaged if you don't. We typically use transfer tape. I know most of you probably won't have it, but if you do a bunch of these, you'll definitely want to get some. You can use cardboard or plastic, and then mask around the spot where you want to insert your in-counter dispenser, and we will skip over to that. First thing that you want to do is measure out center of your countertop so you can center your in-counter dispenser. Once you find center, then you'll want to take measurements of the the dimensions of the dispenser. You can do this by checking the from the edge of the circuit board to the very edge of the drain pan, which 8 3/4 should be good this way. And the other way you can get that dimension by your offset of your studs, which is approximately 1/4 inch on both sides. Yeah, 1/4 inch for a little bit of room. So if you take 1/4 inch off of each side, it leaves you with 21.5. You'll also want to make note of where exactly you're cutting your surface from the top, because it's going to affect the bottom. There's a light on the inside, and you want to make sure that you are further past the light. For this cooler, I found that 5 3/4 is a safe distance away from the light on the Micromatic cooler. Other coolers will be different, and you will need to inspect your cooler before you do any sort of cutting. Okay, now we have our hole marked out to be cut, and what we're going to do is just double check our measurements to make sure that we are going to be inside of our cut. And this is just as simple as just taking your in-counter dispenser and placing it over the your cut marks. And you can also measure it too, but from looking at this, it looks like we're good to cut. Okay, now we want to drill 4 holes in 4 corners. Next, you want to make your 4 cuts with your jigsaw, and you want to use the most angle setting, which is number 3 in the DeWalt, and also you want to use about mid-speed, which is a number 3 setting. So here we go. Make sure to wear safety glasses. Now that you got your hole cut, you'll want to take a file and take down any sharp edges that are on the on your hole cut. Then after that, you're going to peel back about an inch away from the lip of your in-counter dispenser. All right, now we have our 2-inch foil tape along the edges of our cut here, and now we're going to drop in our in-counter dispenser and see if it fits. Fits good. Next, we're going to take our in-counter hardware and we're going to mount it to the surface.